welcome back to our channel. This is Daudu and Esther here again, and yeah, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. You guys, weather has just been going up and coming down, like looking bright and off on as if they are playing with the remote. I don't know. So you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're just going to be bringing you guys a vlog, and yeah, just a lazy Saturday for me. Like look at how I'm looking so tired and I've not really done much. Okay, I have though. I cleaned the house and done something. So yeah, we'll be bringing you guys some behind the scenes of our wedding planning and you guys some of the gist shall be giving you guys on this vlog. So just stay tuned. I feel like my lips are dry. I don't know. So you guys just stay tuned and like enjoy this video with us.
I'll go and kiss the lip for you.
Who asked you? Name me. Okay, you guys, look at him. Since morning, he has just been watching TV and watching Avengers. Say that you say Avengers is not your favorite movie.
I'm avenging for the world.
Avenging what?
Guys, I'm avenging for you guys. Ibombe. You say Ibombe.
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 Wakanda forever.
Wakanda.
Wakanda nonsense.
Ow. Can you imagine? Yeah, so guys, that's what we'll be doing today. I don't know, of recent I've been so lazy to put out videos, to make videos.
He's very lazy, guys. He's very lazy.
Yeah, I've been very lazy to make videos, and it's not my fault actually, because you guys are not watching. So
It's your fault.
whose fault?
You guys' fault.
Oh yeah,
Because you guys are not watching.
yeah. So it's just kind of discouraging
She's getting angry.
to put out videos. I won't blame you guys too. Everybody's having their own time and I don't know, but yeah, that the views and all that has been very discouraging, and trust me, I just want to sleep all day and do nothing. There's no point making the videos if nobody's watching.
But they're watching now. I'm watching. I believe in you guys. I very much believe in you.
Yeah, we have our constant farm and all, but you guys, I don't know, please help us share our videos. Do something. Before you wake up tomorrow and hear, if we stop uploading videos, don't say that the next time I've broken up. We will not break up. We stopped YouTube.
Because you guys are not watching. That's what
I swear, because that's what they always say for couples channel. Like, oh, they're not uploading again. What happened to them? So we did not break up. Nothing happened though. We just stopped YouTube and decided to just chill since nobody's watching. Anyway, guys, just kidding though. So yeah, let's go and start our day proper. What's the time?
Sleeping time.
No sleeping time.
Wish I could start it over. Baby, I need you out for. Wish I could taste. Get you down by your waist. Should treat your own. Go make I show you love.
I'm breaking out again. How do you guys keep your face smooth all month? Like whether period or no period. How do you guys do it? I mean, it's different skin type. I don't know. Like, see. I don't know if you guys have a remedy on how you do it that all months, like your skin is perfect, the same condition, like whether you're on your period or not, is the same. Please, in the comment section, tell me, give me the solution. Let me try. Ordinary is not doing it at all when it comes to that period. Ordinary is not doing it. So you guys, please give me the tips below if there's like additional stuff you guys do for your skin when it's that time of the month. Please let me know, because I don't know, this is like constant. Once it's that time, start getting all this breakout, and yeah. So let's go about the day.
Wish I could make you know it. Baby, I need to know it. Where do you go? Every time I touch you there. Whispering love, ain't nobody got to hear. You lose control, does she even know you here? Nobody knows, I just keep it in my head. I don't say too much. Yeah, I'm just here to touch, baby.
Hello, mister. Stand up. Finish washing my hair. I just want to dry it and add some oil to it, because we're going out soon. I don't know, I thought it was going to be dried like really fast after doing my makeup. still water in it. We're just going to dry it and we'll just gist alongside. Let me put oil as well when you're done.
Even when I'm done on this one.
No, when you're done. So about our wedding planning and everything. Okay, you guys, we've not actually started like planning properly. Like we've not gotten fully in the mood of planning because like the wedding is still.
We're still in phase 1. Phase 0.
The wedding is still like later in the year. So like we just decided that okay, let us even check out what things are like back home now, like prices, you know, just message 1 or 2 planners and everything, and let's get like a quotation of what it's like to plan a wedding and, you know, look into the budget and all that. You guys, it's not even funny at all. Nigerian weddings are super expensive, like really expensive.
Prices are kind of scary.
Like having
just the wedding.
Yeah, having a standard wedding in Nigeria, like to your how do I put it?
Like kind of your taste.
Yeah, kind of your taste. Like something really okay that at least people will come in and be like, oh, this is nice.
This is a nice wedding.
Yeah, just something that's not something expensive, like so much expensive. How do I put it? Just like an average wedding, sort
Not
of.
average wedding, just a normal standard wedding.
Yeah, standard wedding. Because I don't even know which English to use for it. You guys, it is a lot of money to do it. So that just brought us to the fact that, like, seriously, doing a wedding in Japan, you guys, it's so way I feel like Japanese are really enjoying when it comes to getting married. That's why I see them get married at very early age.
Trust me, if not for flight tickets, or
yeah,
someone
we'll just
else
bring
thinks,
our family
I'll just bring my
over
family and just do my wedding in Japan.
and just have the wedding in Japan.
I'm telling you.
Just have the wedding in Japan, honestly, because
A friend of mine recently got married in Japan. He got married to Japanese, and the truth is, when you're getting married in Japan, your according to what he told me, he said, like, if you are getting married in Japan, the girls, like the family, the guy and the girl's family, you have to contribute at least 100,000 yen. Are you guys feeling me? It's a must, not you have to. Oh yeah, you must contribute at least 100,000 yen for the wedding. At least 100,000 yen for the wedding. That's that. Then also, if you are coming as a guest, you are being invited with invitation card and all those things, that you are coming as a guest, you must come with. Yeah, I think it's a must in Japan.
Yeah, you must come with some amount of money.
30,000 yen.
You must
come
like,
with 30,000
once
yen.
they give you your invitation card, you need to like.
And you accepted it.
Yeah, you accepted that you are coming. Then they've calculated your money among how much you're contributing as a guest. So like before the wedding ends, you kind of know how much they are going to receive after the wedding. This is not spraying money. Oh, this is like envelope you drop at the entrance as you are coming in. Or sort of that, oh, you attended the wedding, this is your envelope, and the money should be inside. And the money is not like specifically like maybe 40,000 yen. It has to be like that and above. It depends on, like, if you want to do more than that, that's better. But doing below that is like,
it's not acceptable. You must do 30,000. Actually, the reason is, when I asked him, he said the reason is kind of the money to have a wedding in Japan is kind of expensive. To have a wedding in Japan is very expensive. So when your family members, they come up with that, at least it covers like half the amount.
Wedding expenses and couples just go about, like, they don't have to like bother themselves after their wedding. Like, they know that okay, the money that they use for the wedding.
So it's very cool in Japan. I don't know, I feel at least people coming to drop something for the wedding is very cool. And also, again, the numbers in Japan, the number of guests in Japan is really great. It's really cool. He asked me like, how many guests are we planning on, and I said something like, I don't know, I'm not sure, I'm just saying. But in Nigeria, an average Nigerian wedding takes about 500 guests and above.
Yeah,
takes about 500 guests and above, and it's like
A small wedding. When you say you had a small wedding in Nigeria, it's 300 guests, 250 guests. That's a small wedding.
That's a small wedding. But for him, he said, wow, that's too much. That he's just thinking of 80 guests.
Can you imagine?
I'm like, 80? Are you sure that's okay? I'm like, are you sure that's cool? 80 guests? So, but seriously, 80 guests is it? 80 guests, not much.
Though their families,
Top 100.
if you have a large family in Japan, you
That's
have
the point. They don't have a large family.
No, there are some people that have like not large family, like maybe place of work. You work in a very, very big firm that you guys are really much there. You understand? Your wife works in a big firm also that they are much. It's not like somewhere small that you can just invite maybe 20 people. You guys are good. People that Nigeria, if you're having an average wedding or this thing and you're not from a super well-to-do family, just people are coming to just chow and leave.
They also come and eat and go.
They are coming to eat and go. There's some people that will still come and complain in that same wedding that they didn't enjoy the food very well though. The
semo did not reach.
I ate rice, but
I did. The meat is small. The meat is small. I was thinking like their status. I was thinking like I will eat one rock of meat to choke your throat.
So you guys planning a wedding? I just feel like, should we just bring all our family members
to Nigeria, to Japan?
Out there, if they were like old enough, like we have siblings that are big enough to afford like their flight tickets and everything, that would have actually been a better idea. But we were like the first borns and our siblings are young, and I don't think it would be nice to just leave them out and bring only our parents. You guys come, you guys stay back.
That's the thing again. We have to bring our siblings also.
Pay for
their flight tickets,
parents and everything.
That's.
And you know what, you guys? I don't think parents are even cool with the fact that only them will attend that wedding. They need their friends to be there. So that's another thing. They need their friends, their meeting members, their church members, every member, because to them they feel like they've attended other people's wedding. So for my own, people must also come.
Yeah, like
a restaurant,
a very small restaurant. I was told to pay something
after the wedding
for eating. I was told to pay for eating. So what I will eat, I was told to pay for it. So what I was going to eat, I paid for it.
Like so much differences within, like so much.
You will eat much actually, but just put something down to show that this food is not only them bringing up the money and everything. But it's unlike Nigeria. See, that's just the huge difference for me. The money involved. The people outside, they tend to contribute. I'm very sure if you share envelope in Nigeria, you see 10 naira back. You receive 10 naira back.
People will even talk about you like
this is selfish.
This is selfish. There was one time I saw a wedding on Instagram, like the couple they got married, and after the wedding they just told people that there's no reception and all that, everybody should go home. They did their wedding, invited people to church, and that was it too. The wedding got to Insta blog that how would you do a wedding without reception and everything. I later saw the couple posted on Instagram that's what they could afford. They wanted to get married, and after looking at their budget, they couldn't afford to like do a big party. The parties are interesting, trust me. They are very, very cool,
classy, nice,
everything. But just imagine you don't really have the money to afford that.
Yeah, it's really much.
And you want to have like a normal kind of wedding, standard wedding. You'll be looking at size as well, because if you are proposing in your heart that okay, I think 100 should be enough. Don't even sound it to African parents that you want to do a wedding, like real wedding, and then you want to say 100 what? Like 100. They'll just be looking at you. You know what? Don't even come. Don't do the wedding. You should just stay there. Do whatever you want to do. Don't even come back and be looking for 100 guests. Where do they want to? Is it parlor wedding people are looking for?
100 guests.
100 guests.
And they've even told people already.
On your behalf,
they've shared mouth invitation already.
Mouth, yes, you guys.
Mouth invitation.
Without invitation card, mouth.
Hey. You've told A, B, C, D. My child is doing wedding. Go and get your gele down.
Yeah, but you don't.
Almost. I can feel the dryness.
You can feel the dryness.
I can feel the dryness.
The difference is though, Nigerian wedding and getting married in Japan is
the fact that your guests helps, they share in the budget.
Yeah.
They kind of contribute to your budget in having your wedding. Even though I don't know. I just see some of them deep down inside they are not happy about it.
Yeah.
But because they are being invited and they are being placed in that position.
We've actually been invited to a wedding before in Japan that we would have actually gone for the wedding, but as at that period we had lots of priorities in front of us, and when we're invited we had to just be like, oh, we can't go for this wedding because obviously we can't just go there now without anything. It's not the one that you bring cooler from your house, the one that you have.
You bring slippers.
You have food flags, you have water bottle.
They won't even bring Crocs. Don't bring Crocs. They'll bring rubber slippers.
You have water bottle that you can just package it inside, the one that you've not used, or just carry wrapping paper, package everything and be like, oh, this is my present or wedding. No, this one you have to come with
They'll bring matchbox.
Your cash first. Cash is like the main thing.
It's the priority,
it's the priority.
It's the priority, man.
We just had to be like, oh, we're sorry, we can't attend. And there's no big deal about it. They were like, oh, and they minused our name from the invitees and took it out and added another person. Don't choke it in my head, though, babe. It should be okay now. This is not natural hair, so.
Does that make it unnatural?
I don't know. Leave me. That one takes time to dry. That's it, though. So what if you were to redo your wedding, you guys? Those that are married already, if you were to redo your wedding, how would you have the wedding? A big wedding or a small wedding, like with few guests, if you can, just family members and friends? And do you think in a Nigerian home, do you think it's going to be possible?
For those that haven't done their wedding,
For those that have done their wedding, like, what do they think about it? Like, if they were to redo their wedding, like, do they think a small wedding is better off? Like, and do you think if you were to take that decision when you wanted to do your wedding, do you think it would have been possible? So you guys comment below and let us know about it. And for those that are yet to get married, and what kind of wedding do you want to have, or what kind of wedding are you dreaming to have? Is it a big wedding or a small wedding with like few people that you can see in the hall and be like, oh, I know this person, or something? Or you want the really, really big kind of wedding party, like,
or the destination wedding,
the Nigerian type of and bed, the wedding, or you want destination wedding, just you and your partner alone, exchanging your vows, like no crowd, with some friends if they can, just a few friends. I used to admire those kind of weddings, actually, just you and your partner on the beach, exchanging vows with a few friends, and just do it, and that's it, is over.
A few moments later.
You guys, this is the aftermath of what they did to my hair. Can you see the oil dripping down? Babe, can you see the oil?
In my defense, you guys, I'll show you the before.
Which kind of water?
I'll show you the before and after.
Dry my hair and just put oil on your hand, rub it, and then put it on my hair like that.
When they put on my leg,
I don't know how did you pour the oil? See my head, baby. See,
I tried to open the cover.
You guys see. You didn't do what? If I go out now, that's
let me put the oil on my own face.
You guys, who sent me message? Honestly, let me see the other side. Is there oil there too?
Guys, my Instagram handle is Daudu Hairstyling.
You guys don't call him for anything. Don't do.
@_Daudu Hairstyling.
Oh Jesus!
Come to my page. I will do your hair with you shining like this. Leave all this one that they are eating my work. See. This is how eating used to start.
See. Oh God. See. Hey.
See, that's why if you come back to my shop, see this part of my work, I'll clean it for you.
And then you clean my makeup away too. Finally ending the video.
It's the heat that is dropping it down, that is making the oil drip.
It's not ending the video because I ended it before and I said we should go out until I found out that this is what is happening to my face and my hair. I thought I should show you guys because people say Daudu is nice, oh look at the hair he's doing somebody's hair. Nice. But all the oil in the house.
See, I'm still cleaning it though.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
And Daudu fans, you know I did a very good job.
You did what?
A very good job.
Bye.
Bye.